Adriansen, and I'm the Assistant Director of the production of Showbirds that is going to be playing here at the Millennium Centre next week. And these are some of the cast members you see behind me. The production is brought to you by Cape Town Opera, and the singers you see here are members of the Cape Town Opera Chorus, which was voted as the best opera chorus in the world in 2013. So you are seeing the best of the best this evening. This evening we're going to take you through a little journey of a little bit of opera, some traditional South African music, and just something to get you in a good vibe for the rest of the night. The next song that we're going to be doing is from the opera Carmen. And with us being South African, but opera singers from South Africa, we're going to do it with a little bit of a twist. So the first half of the song you're going to see is going to be sung in French, but the second half is going to be in Xhosa, which is one of the 11 official languages of South Africa. Now, yeah, we have 11 languages. So I've learned one thing in Welsh. I know it's not morning, but I can say, Borada. I have another little trick up my sleeve, and I really hope I get this right because I think I might embarrass myself. But apparently there's a village in Wales that has the longest name, and I'm going to try this. Okay. So that's my party trick for the evening. We'd like to teach you just one of the ways we say hello in South Africa, because we have many. So we say Sanbona Ani. Thank you. So as I said, we're going to present Carmen to you now with a little bit of French and a little bit of Xhosa. Enjoy. Cardiff. We've been to Birmingham and we've been to Manchester. We're here in Cardiff this week and next week, and then we'll be going off to Dublin doing this fabulous tour of Showboat. But the only reason why we are here is because of the collaboration between Cape Town Opera and Wales Millennium Centre. And this entire show is brought to you by Wales Millennium Centre. And for us to be here at this leg of this tour feels like we're home, because these are our hosts and we're having such a great time, as well as the people of Wales. They feel a little bit like South Africans. They live with a lot of joy, there's a lot of friendliness and happiness, so we are just ecstatic to be here with you. Now we're going to move a little bit, we're going to shift gear, veer off the opera path, and we're going to show you a little bit of South African traditional music. A lot of this is rooted in protest songs from our past, and you'll hear that they're all done a cappella. a lot of this has to do that these were sung in protest or sung in big groups of people that were outside and, you know, having their say, or in churches that were created under the shade of a tree. So we don't have a company with them, it's just about the voices and about the spirit that goes behind them. The first one is called Shosholoza. There we go, South African. Shosholoza is the sound of a train. That's what Shosholoza is. And the lyrics are about, there were families that were split, torn apart, that were living hours away from each other and had to take these incredibly long train journeys to get to each other. And we're talking 10, 12, 15 hours to see their family. So the sound of the train had so much emotion attached to it because it meant they were going home and they were going to see their family. So this is what the song is about. It's about that feeling of going home and seeing your family. So here is Shosholoza. We're going to give you another one now. It's called Bawati Kosomandla. And this is a very interesting song because if I translate the words to you, it's Father God Almighty, what are our sins? What have we wronged you? What have we done that we kill each other thus? And this is a protest song. This is from our troubled past, and it's basically saying, what have we done to be in the situation where we are against each other and we are killing each other? But the song has this protest samba lyric, but this beautiful, uplifting melody. It's a joyful, uplifting song. And that's, as South Africans, that's who we are. No matter how low things are, no matter how bad things are, we will find the joy in it, we will find the love in it, and we will exude that joy and that love. So enjoy. Bawati Kosomandla.
Se fene,
To move, we like to feel the spirit and have the joy. All the dancing that you see, it's not choreographed, it's not set like that. We don't sit and decide what moves we're going to do. That's just what we feel. It's just a group get together and start singing and they feel it with each other, and that's where all these moves come about, where it's just feeling the spirit of each other around them. So now we're going to head back into the world of opera, and we're going to do a little extract from La Traviata called Brindisi. Now, this is a drinking song. It's just a joy. It's having a beer in your hand and it's singing a great, slightly flirty drinking song. And I've noticed that that's another thing that the Welsh and South Africans have in common. Put a drink in our hand and put us in front of a rugby game and we're happy. You know? So this is one that I think you can relate to as well as we can relate to. So enjoy.
Chicken,
that back. Normally you wouldn't be getting that back. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely Sia Sanga and Slovo. We're going to change gear a little bit now. As you all know, on the 5th of December 2013, we lost our great leader and our father when Nelson Mandela passed away. But we don't look back in sadness. We have no tears. We have joy, and we have a lot of love for our father and the man that really made us who we are today. The song that we're going to sing, we'd like to sing a song about him. It's called Asimbonanga. And Asimbonanga, the words mean, we have not seen him, we have not seen Mandela in the place where he is, in the place where he has kept. And this is a song that was sung in the middle of the apartheid era when Nelson Mandela was imprisoned in Robben Island. And that's what the song is. It's about his people singing, we cannot see him, we cannot see our father, we cannot see our great leader, and we're just waiting to see him again. And we did. And he made us who we are today, and he is still known as one of the greatest human beings that were ever here with us. So please enjoy Asimbonanga. That song means so much to us, and that sound that you hear is really uniquely South African, and you can hear it, the emotion behind it. It sounds like a cry, the most beautiful cry, but it's that cry that comes through and reaches you, and it's just such an incredible song. Thank you, guys. So as I said, we are here doing Showboat, and that we will be performing next week here, so we'd like to give you a tiny little snippet of that, not too much, because we'd like you to buy tickets and come and watch the real thing. There's lots of really popular songs that come from this beautiful, beautiful musical. Old Man River, I'm sure you all recognize that name, and there's a beautiful song called Bill that you will know. But the one that everyone really loves is Can't Help Loving That Man of Mine. And we are very lucky to have the lovely Lynelle with us, who plays Julie in the show. So here's a little extract of Can't Help Loving That Man. actually. The people you see up here are less than a quarter of the cast. So that's just 1/4 of the sound that you will hear if you come and watch the show. So a lot of South African music is also based in spiritual gospel music, and we like to do a little bit of that for you, a little taste of that. The first one we're doing is going back to the traditional South African sound, another a cappella number, and it's called Jerusalem, and it's basically about that idea of a land that is pure and not what we've had in the past, and the idea of going to that and striving for that and having peace together. So this is Jerusalem. South Africa actually adopted as our own during the struggle times is something that everyone knows and loves, Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. It was a very important song during the American Civil Rights Movement, and this song, many people that have been oppressed and nations that have been oppressed have used that song to uplift them. So it became one of our songs that we used to uplift us. So we're going to give you a little bit of Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, but we put our own twist on it at the end. So enjoy.
Coming, one to carry me.
we have one more song for you this evening. I needed my hands free for this because I need to explain the song to you. So, you may have heard of an incredible woman named Mileniwm, one of the greatest South African exports, and she had a song called Pata Pata. And Pata Pata literally means touch, touch. And Pata Pata's got a dance to it where, ladies, hello? Wait, can you show us Pata Pata, please? So Pata Pata, the dance is just touch, touch. And you go anywhere in South Africa, anywhere, and it plays Pata Pata, and I guarantee you will see hundreds of people just going Pata Pata. So if any of you feel the need to Pata Pata with us, get up and join. It's a fantastic song, and you can even sing along with us because the words are pretty catchy. Pata Pata. So here is Pata Pata. Which means, Baba, we're going home. So here's Masibuyele Kaya. Thank you very much, everybody. See you soon at the show. Bye.